Uh, my dear friends, I am Swami Devarajan speaking. Today it is 12th of October 2020. Today morning I went to uh, Jamalia, State Bank of India branch at Paramore in Chennai. I wanted to credit 10,000 rupees into my account. But the ATM machine was the e-corner machine, ATM machine which receives money was not functioning, it seems. Therefore, they were shut down. The shutters were down at the e-corner. But the branch was open. Therefore, I entered into the branch and I wanted to pay the money through the challan. So I filled the challan and I stood in the queue. There were three counters other than the manager cabin. In the three counters, two counters were filled with people. The manager was also in his seat. One counter was empty. Another staffer was moving here and there. So totally there were four. And an additional one attender like a lady staff was also there. So five were inside the branch. This was the situation. I stood in the queue. Nearly six people were before me. When I got my chance to meet the counter person, he was in the center of the other two counters. He told, no, we could not receive. Which branch you are from? He told. He asked. I told, I am from Ayanavaram branch, Chennai. Then he told, you have to credit the money in your branch only. Then I told, no, my dear friend, even before, right from the beginning of the SBI, we can credit money in any branch. It is not like just we have to credit in our branch. Anybody can credit money in any branch to an account. That will be entered into the ledger and that will be posted to that concerned branch. So this was in vogue right from the beginning of the State Bank of India. Even if it is not known to my known age, it is like that only. I know. But he was telling I should go to my own parent branch and pay it. I told no. Moreover that nowadays they are giving multi-branch check. So we can get money from any branch using our checkbook. So this is the thing. Anywhere in India we can get money anywhere, in any branch of SBI. So even withdrawal is possible. How can you say that I should go to my parent branch and pay? Then I went to the manager and I told him. The manager did not answer anything. However, after telling that, I came to my line and I asked him to get it paid. I received the money and gave me the challan. But before I leave the counter, the branch manager came out and he smashed the door which allowed them to the three counters. He kicked the door with his leg as if he might be kicking me. Instead of kicking me, he was kicking very forcefully the door and entered in. The swing door, no, it was kicking it. It was up to the hip only from the floor. He kicked it and entered in. That rowdy. This is the act of a rowdy only, not a manager of SBI, according to me. He entered in and went to the chamber where actually the jewels will be valued. After that, he came back sometimes. Again, he kicked every door and came out of the branch. When I was getting out of the branch, he was also following me and kicking every door of the branch and he came out. Then he started shouting at me as if, see, the ATM is being filled with cash. By then it was already more than 10 o'clock, 10:30 or 11. So by that time only he was trying to fill the cash. It was locked down actually when I was entering the branch. So he is lazy, not only lazy, he is rowdy. He tried to attack me. He touched me also. But fortunately I told that I am with the camera. And I asked him, if you have guts, face my camera and talk. Then he tried to pose this way and that way. Since people were there around, he wanted to show high also. That I have recorded. What I talked to him, what he talked back to me. I recorded. In that video you can see a man, a lean man, talking to him also in brown shirt. He is also another person. He wanted to credit money. He refused to accept money. Therefore, he is arguing outside the branch with the manager. This is the thing happened. Therefore, I request the government of India, Reserve Bank of India, Finance Ministry, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, and also to the State Bank of India to immediately remove this rowdy from post. Such lazy fellow who does not know the value of a branch manager's post should not be in that post. He should be removed from service. He is a rowdy. He should be put behind bars. For his activity today, he should be put behind bars. This is the right action to be done by the Government of India, Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India. So please do that. I do not know his name. He was keeping his ID card inside his pocket. The other two staffers who were in the counters, they were also not showing the ID. Their ID was not at all there. You can check in the camera. You can check in the camera. So you can check in the cameras, closed circuit cameras fixed in the Jamalia branch. Then you can find the counters which are handled by two staffers and the manager. They were all hiding their identity. The manager was having the ID card, but he was putting it in his pocket. There is no name board for his cabin also. Nobody has been put with the name. Actually, as per SBI code, there should be name before their counters. At least the manager should have his name written on his cabin. It's not there. Because they are rowdies. They are hiding their face. Rowdies will not show the identity. So that rowdy of Jamalia branch who worked today, that is 12th of October 2020, should be removed from service. This is my humble request to the Government of India. Herewith I am also attaching the video I shot at him today. Dear friends, this branch manager behaves as a rowdy. This branch manager is behaves live point with it.
Sir, ATM is
No, if you touched me, sir. Just now you touched me. Why you touched me? Why you kicked all the doors?
I did not
You
touch
kicked all the time. You did not touch me. You are saying a lie also. You touched my hand, no? So he is a rowdy working as a manager in this branch. He is kicking all the doors. He refuses to receive money. Here, the ATM is also locked.
ATM is being repaired.
He is being
ATM
repaired.
cash is being taken out.
Then you should allow people to pay in.
taken
Okay, you should allow people to pay in. Okay,
ATM cash
this is the way.
being taken out.
This is see.
ATM cash is being taken out. It is being repaired.
Why you shouted?
11 o'clock in the
Okay.
morning.
In this branch, this is Jamalia branch. Here, there is a rowdy working as a manager. He should be sacked immediately. He should be removed from his service.